The Scholars Program, it is a very small, program with a very small amount of students.
We were all placed in a group that would study together from our freshman year into our senior year.
The different courses that we take in the Scholars Program help to expand our ability to think and to question what we learn.
It's meant to broaden your horizons. It's meant to challenge.
The Scholars Program really tries to push you and to challenge your boundaries in a good way.
We're called to go above and beyond with the requirements of the Scholars Program.
You had the aspects of community service, and you had your language requirements, and also just building that community of scholarship and leadership.
Because you're always in the same class with the same people, you develop a strong bond with those individuals.
It's almost like you and your fellow students are on a pathway. You're on like a journey to knowledge.
I know my scholars classes have been different than any of the classes that I have ever had.
When you learn in a seminar style, you go beyond just the textbook.
We learn how to play off each other's strengths and use those in our discussion.
Most of the classes, in fact I would say all the classes, have a really big discussion component.
It's interesting to see different perspectives on the topics that we discuss in our classes.
In addition to focusing on your studies within the university, the Scholars Program tries to expand your horizons in the real world.
These off-campus learning experiences take what you learn in the classroom and they show it to you in the real world.
By putting yourself out there in the community and serving others, you're able to see life through someone else's eyes.
When I was in high school, I took all AP classes, so I really wanted to continue that rigor.
I wanted to join the Scholars Program because I wanted to have a developed liberal arts education.
I liked the fact that I was going to leave Benedictine a different student.
The scholarship allows you to get rid of a fairly large financial burden.
Looking back at it, all those nights of studying and writing papers and going on trips really helped form who I am as an alumni now.